my beautiful people, if you want your hair growth to start increasing very fast, at the same time, if your hair has become very frizzy, then your hair will become shiny, soft and silky very quickly. It will start happening. Friends, the remedy I am sharing with you today is very easy to make and apply. At the same time, its results will have an amazing effect on your hair, and the growth of your hair will start increasing with its use. At the same time, your hair has become very light and thin, or your hair has started falling as soon as you touch it. There is a lot of hair fall in your hair. If this is happening, then this remedy will stop your hair fall as soon as possible and will also help you in making your hair strong and thick. And if your hair is very frizzy, dry, or there is no shine in your hair, then this remedy will quickly start making your hair silky, shiny and soft. Friends, we will introduce you to this remedy today. Friends, how will you prepare today's remedy and how to apply it? Please watch the full video for this. You can give growth to your hair even without doing any hard work and make your hair soft very quickly. Can make hair silky and shiny, as well as can stop hair fall rapidly. If you like this video, then please give a like to video and do not forget to subscribe the channel for such useful remedies. So let's start making today's remedy. Friends, for the first we will need most potent ingredient for the rapid hair growth, which is curry leaves. Take 2 bunch of curry leaves, wash, clean and dry out the leaves. Curry leaves are rich in nutrients that can stimulate new hair growth and prevent hair loss. The beta-carotene and protein in curry leaves can help to strengthen the hair shaft, while iron and vitamins B and C can help to nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Here we have to take curry stick also. The anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties of curry leaves can help to reduce dandruff and other scalp conditions that can lead to hair loss. The natural oils in curry leaves can help to tame frizz and flyaways, giving you more manageable hair. Next we add aloe vera gel. Here we take fresh aloe vera gel from plant. Take 1 leaf of aloe and cut it into small pieces. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. Put these pieces in a clean bowl and keep aside. At last we take potent as well as very effective ingredient for new hair growth, that is garlic. Take 7 to 10 garlic cloves for this remedy. Garlic has nutrients like vitamin B6, potassium, and iron that will give you more lustrous hair. Controls frizz. Garlic helps tame your frizzy strands and leaves them smooth and shiny. It also controls the production of sebum, which is what causes hair to become greasy and curly. Garlic may help promote hair growth and reduce thinning hair. Put curry leaves and a garlic cloves in a blender and add a little bit of water in it and grind them to make a smooth paste-like consistency. We got a magical mixture of hair growth, shiny hair, frizzy and dry hairs. This remedy gives strong, lustrous and thick hairs as never before. Put this mixture and aloe vera pieces in a saucepan. Take 250 ml of coconut oil in a cup and add it into a saucepan. You can take any carrier oil like almond, olive oil or the mustard oil also. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth by getting deep into its follicles. Coconut oil promotes the scalp health, fighting against such problems as insect bites, lice and dandruff. Coconut oil moisturizes dry hair. Coconut oil adds luster and shine to the hair. Coconut oil is great for your hair's overall health. It heals damaged hair by softening, hydrating and strengthening those brittle, broken strands. It also strengthens the cuticle of the hair. Add coconut oil in the pan and give it a stir to mix. Put the pan on the stove on low flame. Cook the oil on a low heat until all the good qualities of herbs should not be mixed with oil. Stir in between occasionally from burning the ingredients. Turn off the flame and remove the pan from heat. We have got an amazing herbs infused hair growth oil. We stir the oil to cool down completely, and after cooling we strain it. Hey friends, write down from which city you're watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. We filter the oil with a strainer or a muslin cloth. We strain and collect the oil. We have got hair growth oil, which makes hair silky, shiny, strong and lustrous. This oil adds volume and shine in hairs. Next we add most potent ingredient, that is rosemary oil. Add 20 to 25 drops of this oil. Rosemary essential oil can help stimulate healthy, thick hair. The oil can speed up the process of cell turnover and growth, which can work as a natural remedy to grow thicker hair. Mix both the oils very well together by stirring. Hey friends, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Transfer this oil in a clean bottle. We got an amazing hair growth remedy that can help to treat dry, dull and frizzy hairs, and make hairs strong, silky, shiny and lustrous. How to use this remedy for hair growth? Apply this remedy on your clean scalp and root, massage gently for 5 minutes, and leave it on for overnight. Wash your hairs next morning with mild shampoo. Kids and adults both can use this remedy. This remedy is for all age groups. For best results, use this remedy 2 to 3 times in a week. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and share your valuable experience with us in comment section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory channel.